morning. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So my dog's running away from me. They're so cute, and that's a sock because my dog loves to steal my socks. Anyways, today I'm going dorm room shopping. If you guys saw my last dorm room shopping video, you know that it was a complete failure because I was super underprepared, unprepared. Now I'm more prepared. I have a list of things that I need. I'm gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond. So I feel like that place just has everything, you know? That's the place to go dorm room shopping. Yeah, we're going dorm room shopping. I just got brunch with my friend Nat. She's super sweet. I missed her so much. So now that we're done with that, I'm going to go shopping. I cleaned out my car so I could have room for all my stuff. It's awkwardly quiet in here. And so the first thing that I'm looking at are sheets. Here's my option. My color scheme for my room is pink, gold, and white. But this is so cute. This also matches my room. They're not that soft. These things are so incredibly soft. But they don't have my colors, you know? That's so soft and I love that color. There's an alpaca on this? What the heck? Why don't they have pink? Are these cheaper? Yeah, they're cheaper too. I don't know what to do. Okay, I kind of like this because my bed's a little lofted, so I'll need something to step on it. But I also want something with storage, and they also don't have my colors. What's your opinion on these pillows? I think they're cute. They have the colors. This one kind of gives me the Target vibes, but the Target ones are way too big. So I think that's cute, right? I don't know if it's what I'm going for in my dorm room, but I think it's cute. Shoot, it's stuck. My cart's stuck. Oh, there's pillows. I need pillows. I just realized that all of this right here are all sheets, and now I'm overwhelmed and I don't know what to do because I just picked out these ones because they're just really soft. They're not cute, and I'm sure white will get dirty. I'm so overwhelmed I might just leave. And it's not because I don't know what I need to get, because I do, but it's the fact that there's so many options and I'm not sure which mattress topper is the best. I might end up leaving because I want my mom, but she's out of town. Yeah, another fail of a thing. Here's what I have so far. I know I need a mattress topper, I need this, I need that, I need that, but there's so many options and I don't know which one is the best. We're gonna try dorm shopping again, but this time I'm going with my mom instead of alone, so hopefully she'll help me. Here's our progress so far. She really wants me to get a multi-surface cleaner.
I do. I'll show it to you.
We got the cheapest one possible.
She needs to clean her surfaces.
You're like an ad. We got a bunch of pink cups. And look, it's a fancy Brita water filter. Should I get one of these?
A mirror?
Yeah, because there's that one wall in my room that I know that I could put a mirror on.
You can usually get those for $5 somewhere. Those are
IKEA. We're getting stain remover because I'm gonna need it. I stain.
Catcher, right?
Yeah, should I get that?
You just want the little one?
Yeah.
Or do you want the big one?
There's a big price difference. There's so much. How much money do you think this is gonna be, Mom? All of it? A couple hundred?
A couple hundred. I mean, nothing's super expensive.
I'm excited about my Tupperware. Not gonna lie, because it matches my plates. This is nerve-wracking, Mom. Yeah, don't they save the animals on this one?
It helps wildlife.
Yeah. Let's do that one. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Okay. You're funny. They have mattress pads in here. Do I need a mattress pad? I don't know what I need.
Are you getting a topper?
Yeah.
So if you get a topper, you don't need a mattress pad. You're not planning on wetting the bed, right? If you wet the bed, you might need.
I don't think so.
See, this one's waterproof.
I got this.
That's really cute.
I want to show you the other pillows that I wanted that were way too big, because this looks like a small version. I got this one.
Like that pink one
and then
a lot.
This is a throw blanket that kind of has the same furry vibe. Do you like the word vibe?
I love the word vibe. It's my favorite.
They're not
word.
the same color, but I
They're
guess
close.
they kind of are.
I mean, they're close.
You tricked me into thinking they were different colors, but they have the same idea.
Right.
And then I feel I should get one pillow that's pink and white. I like that one up there, but I don't need more pink ones. Yeah, it's too pink. It's too bright. I like this for my bedding for at home. She wants me to get new bedding for my bedroom because apparently my bedding at home is gross. I just did a room tour, Mom. They liked it. I've had it for 2 years. I kind of like this. Is it old lady-ish? She just started posing the second I turned the camera out. She's now buying pillows for our home.
I'm not buying them. I'm we need
She's
some new
perusing.
pillows.
These are kind of cute. I feel this one look good our colors.
I need some new
You don't like it, do you?
No, I don't. I like that actually.
Really?
You know, I love the red.
I want this pillow for my room, but it's literally the size of my upper body. I get my pillow obsession from you. I feel this looks it belongs on a mat that goes outside the doggy door.
You might be right.
Ooh, that one's cute. What do you feel about this one for me?
I like that one for you, but then you've got
too much white.
Well, you could do put the pink in between, and then it's not too much white.
I don't know. I like it.
Too bad this part isn't pink. Why don't you just buy a piece of fabric and sew it on there?
I haven't remembered how to sew since the 4th grade.
You forgot it?
I forgot it? What is that?
Well, you said I haven't remembered how to sew since. It's kind of funny the way you said it.
Having a mom that's a school teacher is not fun when your grammar's not correct 100% of the time.
Listen.
I know the difference between your, and that's all that matters. Am I right? I know all of them. We got lunch and now we're at Costco. This is for moving all the stuff. We got a makeup mirror. We got that. Outlet stuff. We got this for moving. My mom's thinking of so many things that I just didn't think of because she lived in a dorm a million years ago. Just kidding. I'm kidding. Yes, those are big though. I need ones that are that big. Oh, there's the tape ones too. Oh, why is everything so expensive? Should we get a toilet, Mom?
No, no toilet.
We have so much stuff. It's insane. Like, look at all of this. When you move the cart, you can't see. Hi. My mom has been cracking jokes this entire time, and I want her to tell you this story.
So this isn't a joke, this is just a story.
It's a funny story.
When I was in college, I was an RA, and I swear that during like RA orientation, that one of the RAs sent herself flowers so that it looked like she had a boyfriend, because I never saw a boyfriend. She never had flowers again. But it just came during orientation.
Maybe it was her parents.
No, because she read the card and she was like, oh, he's so sweet. Anyway, that's my story. Do you want trail mix?
No, probably just eat all the M&Ms out of it. We bought a bunch of stuff and then realized we forgot the pillows. You really want to be in it, don't you?
Yeah. So we loaded up the car.
It's completely full.
It's completely full. And then we came back in.
And look, pillows. My pillows at home are really flat, even though I got them for Christmas. They shouldn't be, but it's my fault for wanting flat pillows, and then they flat. Like, I liked them at the time. So we're gonna go back home and unload all the stuff in our house.
The car is full.
We have so much. And then we're gonna go back to Bed Bath & Beyond, Home Goods, and then do you want to go to the Apple store with me, or do you want me to just go alone?
We'll see how I feel. Okay. I'm tired. We've done a lot of shopping today.
It's not as exhausting as I thought it was.
No, because I knew what I was doing. Right?
Unlike me, who...
Well, right, and you've never done it before. It's just like when you get married, then you're like, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to get, I don't know how to...
Do you remember when you went dorm shopping?
I do. I went with Graham. My bedding was blue with little white flowers on it. The sheets were white with little blue flowers on it.
Have you seen my bedding?
You sent me a picture of it.
I don't think I did.
Then no,
I'll show you. We're in Bed Bath & Beyond. My mom's trying to help me pick out a mini vacuum. I thought you'd know best.
Yeah, good at vacuuming.
No, I just meant like brand because you're an adult. Not because like you vacuum. I mean, I'm a kid.
You saying I don't vacuum?
No, stop putting words in my mouth. I'm running into stuff. We're looking for bedding for my room because my mom thinks that my bedding is gross. That's what Kendall got, right? But there's nothing that will match what I have already that's like not expensive. Oh, this one's cute. It's just like white. White would work. White would get dirty.
I think Keegan needs a pool float.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna be in the pool a lot, right?
Yeah, we have coupons, saving money. We still have 2 more places we need to go. 2, well, kind of 3, but we're not gonna go to IKEA today. We're at Home Goods. My mom's looking for a table for our living room. I like it. This is for my bed at home. Got this pillow. The 2 things I came here for, one I couldn't find, and the other one they didn't have the color online, is where we're gonna look. We're back home. I'm exhausted, to say the least. I wanted to get a few more things on Amazon. Like, I really want to get a headboard, but my mom was like, just wait, you'll be fine. Wait till you move in. And I'm like, you're right, you're right. We're gonna go to IKEA tomorrow. That might be a whole other vlog. I don't know. This one's probably really long. I'll show you guys a quick little what I got. We got these bags. We got these bags. We got this. We got this. We got this. We have 2 cute, really dogs that just like aren't in focus. There we go. You're so cute. Only because I love you. We got this. I'm gonna put all of it away, I promise. We got this. We got these bins to help me move, so that's nice. And then we got this. That's the new bedding I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I have a huge back to school giveaway going on right now. Link for the giveaway is in the description. What are you doing? I will be doing a dorm haul and I'll be doing a dorm haul and a dorm tour once I move in and everything like that. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.